Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Transita Johnson, and today I'm back with a half-up style on my sweet model Marta. We do a suspended infinity braid. I hope I'm able to explain you. For this style, I just parted off the crown hair, so I make a, half moon shape on each side, and then just trying to leave the baby hairs out. They will just pop out during the process. And for me, most important is that both sides are more or less equal. So when you have a chunk of hair that you want to work with, just clip it away for the time being, because I'm going to tie together the rest of the hair in a deep ponytail so that it does not enter in the part that I'm going to braid. Let down the part that you just clipped away. Make sure that the hair is brushed through, no tangling at all. And then I use for the edges some hair gel to make sure that if there are baby hairs, they do not stick out. We have a lot of humidity here, and gel is the best thing to fix it. You can also go over the finished style later then with some foam. For starting the braid, we need a small portion of hair from the middle of the crown. So I make again some triangle or half moon shape, and then when I have the part you see here, it looks like a half moon shape. So split this part of hair into 3 equal strands. I added some more gel just to make sure that there where I start my braid, I have it super neat. And then I bring some gel under the portion of hair that I'm incorporating next, just because during the process it's hard to add in the gel. So 3 equal strands, like I said before, and now you make a regular French braid. Go over and under, and then there where you got under the neighbor, you take a 4th strand. You bring it under the neighbor and over the middle strand, and then you combine the 2 outer strands and you go under again. So I show you again. You go under again, and then you take the strand from the left hand side. You bring it with extra gel. At the beginning, this is important. For me, it's important. So add in the hair under and then over the neighbor, combine the 2 outer strands and go under again. So this is always the process. Showing you again from the left hand side. You go under the neighbor, over the strand that then is in the middle, combine the 2 outer strands, hold them tight and go under. I want to show you from the back, and I will do it very slowly now after you've seen it here coming from the right hand side. So it's not that you add into an existing strand. The new strand is always the one that travels. So it goes under and over, then you combine the 2, and here you see it now slowly. You take portion of hair, you go under the first strand, over the next. You combine these 2 outer strands and you go under again. From the left hand side, again, take a portion of hair. I decided to take it all. You go under, over, combine and go under. Then, when there's no more hair to incorporate, I just did a regular fishtail. For a fishtail braid, you always take a small portion of hair from one strand and you bring it over to the middle. I'm adding here some hair gel because my model has layers and I want nothing to pop out, and this part of the braid I want very clean. So do the fishtail braid until you want to. I did it nearly until the very end, and when the strands became very thin, I just did a regular 3-strand braid and then took a tiny elastic to secure the whole braid. Then you see I'm using some hairspray because I want slightly pull the outer edges out and give it a bit extra volume. For this style we wanted to add in some curls, some waves, and this is why I'm taking here the curling iron and I'm adding some curls. I don't know what I did at the very beginning. At the end, I got used to it because the last time I did wavy hair, I always did it with the iron, and I noticed that this clamp curling one is really different. What I always do is I go through the hair once to warm it up just a bit, and then for me it's easier to make the curls. I'm always checking in between not to burn anything, but those ones, they are very, very good. They adapt to the amount of hair that you are using, and I never ever burned anything. But I'm also always checking. Yeah, you see, it's just slippy. was not my day. It was early in the morning and I was still trying to wake up, I think. So you see, there are so many ways to do the curls, and then on her left hand side I was doing it much better. When they cool down and after you put more hairspray, you open it a bit. I think that looks more natural, and during the day anyway they come down. This is our final style. I hope you like it. This is a suspended infinity braid with some nice curls added. If you're new on our channel, please subscribe. We are uploading 1 to 2 videos every week. And if you like this style, then please give us a thumbs up. Hope to see you back soon. Bye bye.